What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a Troy Polamalu Mitchell & Ness authentic jersey. Now this jersey that we're looking at today has a retail price tag of $300. And I was recently on Mitchell & Ness's website and I was able to pick this up for a steal at $225. Now I have seen this jersey for sale for quite a while and I finally decided to pull the trigger on this one. And as you all know, Troy Polamalu is one of the greatest safeties to ever play in the NFL. He was recently inducted into the Pro Football Hall of Fame in 2020. And this white Super Bowl 40 jersey marked the first time that the Steelers won the Super Bowl since the dynasty of the 1970s. The Steelers actually entered the playoffs that year as the 6th seed, which was the wild card, and they had the odds stacked against them, and they had to go on the road and play every single playoff game that they were in. So it was only fitting when they finally did reach the Super Bowl that year against the Seattle Seahawks that they continued to wear the white jersey that got them there. So if you're a Pittsburgh Steelers fan or a fan of Troy Polamalu, or you're just considering picking up this jersey, then I hope that this review can help you. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this jersey. I'm going to do a full detailed review, I'm going to hit you with an on body, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Troy Polamalu Mitchell & Ness jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. You guys are awesome. I love you so much. Thank you for all the support. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it, guys. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So I've seen this jersey for sale on the Mitchell & Ness website for quite a while, and I always thought about picking it up, but I just didn't. You know, I have other Troy Polamalu jerseys, so this wasn't like an actual need for me. But the more I thought about it, the more I was like, you know what, that's a pretty good deal at $225. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. And that 2005 NFL season for the Pittsburgh Steelers was crazy. I mean, they almost didn't make the playoffs. They made a last minute push. They actually got in. They were the 6th seed. They had every odd stacked against them. They had to go on the road and play any playoff game that they were in, and they won them all. And then when they advanced to Super Bowl 40, their opponent was the Seattle Seahawks. And this game was played in Detroit, Michigan, which was Jerome Bettis' final game. And Bettis was a Detroit native, so to play his final game in Detroit in the Super Bowl was, you know, like something out of a movie or something like that. And all his Pittsburgh Steelers teammates wanted to win the chip, of course, you know, for themselves, but they wanted to send Jerome Bettis out a champion. And Troy Polamalu was such a beast in his career, and in that season he was no different, and this is where he earned his first ring. Alright, so I got the jersey right here, and if you look at this clip right here, it's just an up-close clip to show you how it looks whenever it arrives, and you know what you should expect if you do pick this jersey up from MitchellandNess.com. Alright, here we go. And you just got a single piece of tissue paper, it looks like. And BAM! So this jersey has a lot of weight to it. Back in the mid-2000s, Reebok made the jerseys for the NFL and the authentics and the replicas. And those jerseys were pretty heavy, a lot heavier than the Nike ones are today. So I mean, this is pretty true to what that was as far as weight goes. Man, this thing brings back a lot of memories, man, from that first Super Bowl. That was the first Super Bowl I got to see with my own two eyes, where we actually won. I did watch the Steelers lose to the Cowboys in '95, but this was the first one I actually saw where we won the Super Bowl, and like I can't describe the feeling of being a fan and watching my team hoist that Lombardi. So I'm excited to have this in hand. So let's go ahead and take an up close look at this Troy Polamalu Super Bowl 40 jersey. Alright, so here's our first up close look at this Troy Polamalu jersey. So starting here inside of the neckliner, you're going to have your white Mitchell & Ness tag. And then you'll have your red size tag, and this is a size 44 large, made in China. And then below the neckliner, you're going to have your NFL shield that is embroidered into the jersey. And then you're going to have two patches here. So you're going to have your Super Bowl 40 patch and then your Steelers logo patch. Both are embroidered into the jersey. Now you do have two tags on this jersey, so you're going to have your Mitchell & Ness $300 price tag, and then you're going to have your NFL Throwbacks Mitchell & Ness tag there. Now this is an authentic jersey, so you will get authentic sleeves, and you will have the 43 at the top of each shoulder that is embroidered into the jersey. And then in the middle of the jersey, you're going to have that iconic number 43 that Troy Polamalu made famous during his playing career. And that is all embroidered into the jersey as well. On the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your jock tag, and it says Throwback Authentics, Mitchell & Ness, Philadelphia, PA, 2005, Troy Polamalu. Inside of the jersey, you're going to have your laundry tag, and that is made from 100% polyester. Now moving to the back of the jersey, here you're going to have your nameplate, and you're going to have all that lettering that is embroidered with the black outline with the gold on top. And then you'll have your number 43 again that is embroidered into the jersey. It's pretty well done. I actually see a little bit of imperfections in the threading here or there, but it's really not that bad and you can't really notice it. Overall, pretty well done. So all in all, I think $225 for this jersey was a pretty good price. One thing that I'm not a fan of, that I can tell right off the bat, these sleeves seem very, very big for some reason. And even like the added white piece at the end, that's not something that, you know, I think was actually on the Steelers jersey. I have other Troy Polamalu Reebok jerseys and there's not that much material on them. So I don't know. That's probably one thing that I think that they made a mistake on. But I don't know. Let me go ahead and throw this thing on and show you what it looks like on body. Currently, at the time of this recording, Mitchell & Ness still has this jersey in stock with sizes still available for the $225 price tag. And I'm glad to add this to the collection. This was not a must cop, but it is definitely a nice added piece to my collection. As far as sizing goes, I would go true to size. This is a size large, and you know, I probably could have scaled down and got a medium, but I find, you know, sometimes that whenever I do get a medium, they're too tight. But in this case, like, I probably could have scaled down one size. But I want to know what you think of this jersey that I just picked up here. And let me know down in the comments, guys. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Is this trash? Let me know what you think down below. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please destroy that like button for me. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.